What will the phone of the future look like? Take a moment to imagine a device that might not be even possible today. How would you design it? What features would you include? These were the kind of questions that drove Nubia, a phone maker popular in China, to make a brand new kind of device that looks like it comes straight out of science fiction. The Nubia Wear, a phone that you wear on your wrist. Hello guys, I am Vic with PhoneArena, and the Nubia Alpha has a vivid OLED screen that wraps around your wrist, and it has an eSIM so it can take and make calls. It has a custom interface and it even has a front camera for video calls. The company shows it for the first time at the IFA tech show in Berlin, but nobody gets to actually try it on. The futuristic alien device was enclosed behind a glass cube, so you could only stare at it from afar. It is a concept gadget, sure, but one that Nubia says it's actually coming to real markets, and one that you can buy in about the same form that you can see in the video. The plans are to launch the Alpha by the end of the year, but the price is still a secret. Our thoughts on it? Well, for us this new gadget really seems to live in an alternate reality. Concepts like this one were all the rage on Kickstarter a few years ago, but today it looks weird, big and clunky, and most certainly unfinished. But it's not just the form that bothers us. We have quite a few issues with the idea behind the Nubia Alpha. If this is meant to replace your phone, how would you read and browse the web on such a tall and narrow display? How will you watch videos or check out photos? And with no rear camera, how are you supposed to take pictures and record videos? Another thing that prevents this from being a real device is that it has a tiny 500 mAh battery that will not even last you a day. Nubia says that it is working on using a bigger battery that it can put not just in the base but incorporate in the band of the gadget, but it's yet to make such a device. So how can we summarize this crazy, different new Nubia Alpha? A gadget that comes from an alternate reality? Alien technology that humans could one day master? It is all that, and yet it is terribly unfinished and raw. It sure belongs in a phone maker's prototype lab, but out in the open market? As much as we wish it worked, we have our doubts that something like this will ever truly replace your smartphone. And this wraps up our quick first look at the Nubia Alpha. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed watching, subscribe to our channel for more videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.